Start by typing in lookupandlive.com into your internet browser. Welcome to lookupandlive.com. Agree to the terms and conditions and press OK. You're now into the map. You can navigate by using your mouse or typing in an address into the address bar and pressing search. Once you've found your address or worksite, you can identify power lines near you. This red one is a 33,000 volt power line. This blue one, 11,000 volts. The purple ones are service lines or low voltage. The yellow dotted line is the exclusion or no-go zones from above. Pole numbers can also be found in white. You can now find additional information by clicking on the line. This opens up an information box telling you the owner of the power lines and quick links to information. You can request safety advice by clicking on the links. Ask for power line markers. Just click on the link. You can even look for underground infrastructure by clicking on the Before You Dig Australia link. It will take you to the Before You Dig Australia website where you can start your request. You can now generate a Look Up and Live plan. Go to the print button, name your document, press print. It generates a PDF document which can then be printed out, text or emailed to your workers. Lookupandlive.com is also available as an app on your devices. Just download from the relevant app stores.